The IPO market was coming back strong, and then we had Superstorm Sandy, and that pushed everything back a week. Now we have these two medical IPOs coming forward. The first is Singulex, and this company is known for its diagnostics, specifically in the cardiovascular area. So, Francis, it seems like they're really raising their money for their second generation product, right?
Yeah, this one is very interesting. They have a diagnostic system that they say is 10 to 100 times more effective than competing systems for diagnosing early heart problems. And if, in fact, they can do that, of course, that would have positive implications for reducing medical costs. So the revenues for these 6 months ending the middle of the year, June 2012, but they were 21 million, up from 8 million. So they are making progress. They have 20 customers. The only problem is they're losing 50 cents on the dollar. So I really like what they're doing. I think that they've proven that they really have a breakthrough product. In terms of the intellectual property, part of it's protected by patents, and some of the patents are licensed from the University of California on a technology transfer system. So this one, I really hope that they work, but I would tend to wait until break even is more in sight for them.
All right, then we have Radius Health. Now, this company doesn't have any major partners, but they do focus on women's health, and specifically with issues with regards to aging, like osteoporosis. So it sounds like, you know, if they've got the right product, that they would have a really big audience for this.
Yes, it definitely does. This one is pretty much venture capital funded, which is a positive in this market. And it's coming, well, they're starting to do phase 3 clinical trials, for their main products. They're coming at 4.5 times book, which is a little bit high for companies in this category, but maybe not for companies that are starting phase 3 clinical trials. And we never know how long those will take. So this one has really good prospects, but I would wait on the sidelines until you know what's going to happen in phase 3. Of course, you'd have to pay more for it if they're successful, but not all phase 3 clinical trials are successful.
All right, so on Radius Health, you might want to wait until we see a little bit more progress on this product. And when it comes to Singulex, just be aware they are losing money.